Hey everybody, I'm Brad Lovel. We're out here doing Bronco ride and drive during the safari out here in Moab. I've been coming out here for 20 years, so this is something really special for me. Finally, back behind the wheel of a new Ford Bronco. Bronco enthusiasts have waited many years, I think 26 years, 96 I believe was last year for Bronco. So Broncos have always been a part of off-road and of course Moab, but other brands maybe have kind of taken over in the last couple decades. Well, that's getting ready to change. Bronco has cut its teeth on the rocks out here in Moab as part of the engineering. We've been out here running trails. We've been validating Broncos on trails out here. You know, the hot tubs out on Hell's Revenge, Golden Crack out there. We actually backed one of these up the escalator just for fun. We've had them through the Rubicon, down in the dunes where we're headed now. We're headed out to behind the rocks, and part of what we're doing this week is giving anybody a ride. So we're headed to the dunes back behind the rocks, and we're gonna hit some of the sand washes, some of the rocky trails. And Bronco's capable of all the trails out here, quite honestly, but boy, where it really shines is just getting a nice smooth ride on some of the choppy rock that all the other vehicles have been going around out here for years. So that's one thing we want to do, is make sure we stay on the trail, make sure we respect the environment and culture of Moab out here, and put Bronco back in its rightful place at the head of the pack. This is one of my favorite features because you can undo this under load. So like we're articulating, losing traction, and then you just will wait, let it settle, and ding, the whole car sits down. So I thought it was a gimmick. I was proven wrong. I love it. You got Shelby up here trying one pedal one pedal kind of simulates left foot braking. I like these little dunes up here. We can kind of screw around a little bit, then maybe we can go down there and do some trail turn assist. Okay, 3 wide trail turn assist. Right there, that is awesome.
It's so sweet how quick it'll turn around too.
That is epic. Very well done, everybody. That was so awesome.